Hello, children. A very good morning to all of you. Okay, so we are just getting into a new chapter called Body Movements, where we are just going to learn about our own self, and also we'll be learning about skeletal system, muscular system, that is musculoskeletal system, and also we learn the difference between movement and locomotion, and also we'll be seeing about movements or locomotion in other animals other than we human beings. Okay, so the word learning objective for this particular chapter is we will be learning what is movement and what is locomotion, what is basic difference between both of them. So we learn more about our own self and our movements. Okay, and we'll see we have types of joints, and we'll also discuss about muscles and their functions, and also we'll identify movements in other organisms. The words that we are just going to learn from this particular chapter is like backbone, ball and socket joint, bristles, cartilage, cavity, gait of animals, muscle, pelvic bone, pivot joint, skeleton, streamline, hinge. So the topics that we are just going to cover in this particular chapter is introduction, human body system, joints, ball and socket, hinge, pivot and fixed joint, skeletal system, bones, cartilage, muscles, movement in other animals such as earthworm, snail, cockroach, fish, birds and snakes. So what comes to your mind when we talk about body movements? Jumping, running, eating, writing, cycling, walking. Okay, so these are kind of body movements. You can even see here, this is a park scene where a boy is swinging, a dog is jumping and playing, there is a bird trying to drink some water, a girl is like jumping, a boy is trying to catch the ball. Okay, so there is a lot of movement that is happening, that you could see evidence here. So why do we need to study about our body movement? Okay, so we know we do a lot of functions, we do a lot of activities on every day, but who helps you to do all these things? Who is there, who is controlling your whole body system, who tells you if you want to move, who instructs you to do so? Okay, who helps you to do so? That is what we are just going to learn in this particular chapter. So first we will learn what a movement is. Even we learned in the chapter called motion and measurement of distances. What is basically a motion is? Motion is nothing but changing the position with a time period. Okay, as you change your position from one place to another, time changes. It might be, if I just wanted to sit from this to just nearby, it might take few seconds or few minutes. If I want to travel from one place to another, it might take like around 200 300 kilometers. It might take around 2 3 hours to travel. So I'm just imagine I'm just traveling from Chennai to Bangalore. So morning I was in Chennai, by evening or night I'll be in Bangalore. So as the position changes from Chennai to Bangalore, even the time changes from morning to night or evening. Okay, so movement is like moving from one place to another. Like just imagine I have a stationery box near me. Okay, so I just wanted to grab my pen. I will not get up from my place, I will not move somewhere. It's because it's just near to me. Just imagine it's behind me, so I'll just turn my posture, I'll just change my posture, just turn to the right side, I'll just grab my pen. Okay, just imagine my stationery box is in my cupboard or is in my study table, and I'm sitting somewhere else. So if I need to grab my pen, I'll just get up from my place. When it is near to me, my hands are moving. Okay, when it's just in my study table, and I'm sitting somewhere else, I have to get up from my place actually, and I have to change my position. I have to walk some distances to grab my pen. Okay, so act of moving and changing position or posture is what you call it as movement. Whereas there is a term called what? Locomotion. Locomotion is nothing but changing the position. Okay, getting up from a place and moving with the time period, changes in time period is what you call it as locomotion. Okay,